So the process to turn on the Smart App Control in Windows 11 without reinstalling the Windows is quite simple. Simply go to Search, type in here for Registry Editor and open it up. Allow it to open, and once that is open, you need to go to H key local underscore machine, this one. Just go and open it up. Now you need to go to System, so you can see System here. Open it up. And once the system is open, you need to go to current control set. And once that is open, you need to go to control. And once that is open, you need to go to CI, this one. And inside here, you need to go to policy. In the policy, you will see verify and reputable policy state. So this would be something like this. So if I open it, it looks like this. So once you see this, just go and double tap. Usually the value will be 0, so you need to just go and make the value 1. And if the value is already 1, you can simply go and make the value 2. So basically you need to change it. So once you have done so, click on OK, click on close. Now simply restart your computer, and once you go inside to see the Smart App Control, it will be automatically turned on. So hope this video has helped you out to turn on the Smart App Control on Windows 11 when it is grayed out without reinstalling the Windows. But before you go, please like the video.